welcome back to my channel. My name is Lauren if you are new here, and today what I want to show you is my sculpture collection. So these are alabaster sculptures, and the ones I'm going to show you today are by an artist called A.Santini. Now, I've collected quite a few of these, so I thought it's worth making a video about. I know some of you are into this. If you're not into this, please click out. We don't need that kind of hate round here today, honey. But if you're here for sculptures, let's stick around. So the first one I'm going to show you is this here. Now this is an actual lamp. So this has two cherubs on here, and they both have wings. And it's a lamp, the bulb goes in top. And this is by A.Santini. Nice stand. I've seen a few variations of this. I've seen variations where people are having it in gold. I actually have a gold version of this as well, which I was kind of in the process of stripping, if you guys remember. This is the second one that I got. And this is it on the back. I just love the detail in this. I think it's gorgeous. I love the base with all this kind of sculpting. I definitely love the cherubs, and I also adore kind of like the shell shapes up here, all of the fruit going on here, and kind of the scalloped edges. I love cherubs. I love this kind of beautiful scenario. I think it's gorgeous. I will give some close-ups of this as well. My next piece is of this lady here. Now, how can I show you this? I'll show you like this. Now, this is a Greco-Roman naked lady, which is sort of naked. And you can see she's kind of just has her bum out. And she's standing on a marble plinth. I just love these. She is marked at the back. It says Italy here. And it's signed A.Santini just here as well. Girl, I'm covered in swatches because I'm going to film makeup videos. Just ignore this. And this was the first sculpture that I bought of this type, and this is what made me want to get other ones. So this was the first one. I'm going to try and do this in order of what I got them in. So that's the first one. This is the next one. Now this one and the one before, these sculptures are not anything in particular. To my knowledge, they're not famous sculptures. They could be, but to my knowledge, they're not. And this is another lady. She is just having water jug and like a cup. And again, she's standing on a marble plinth as well. And again, it's A.Santini with Italy. And on the back, yes. This one actually has A.Santini, and this has Italy and A.Santini. And it's also marked on top as well. Like I said, these are made with alabaster stoneware. Now, the next one I have is the largest one in my collection, and that's this one here. And this is the Venus de Milo sculpture. Obviously not the real thing. It is a replica home size. If anybody is familiar with this, yes, she looks broken, but that's because she was found broken. And this is a very famous sculpture here, and she is on a marble plinth as well. And this one is signed a bit different. They all have this kind of sticker on the base, but this one is signed along here instead, as you can see. This is the biggest one that I have. For an example, if I put it next to this one, you see the size difference? There's quite different in comparison size-wise. And the next one I have is this one here. This is my most recent one that I got, and she's actually a lot cleaner. She's a lot lighter in terms of the colour, so it's less yellow. The alabaster hasn't gone yellow yet. I'm not sure if these have gone yellow because of polish over the years, or they've just aged really well. This one, anybody recognise this? It's the birth of Aphrodite here. This is the birth of Aphrodite statue, and again, she is on a marble plinth. And this is probably one of my favourites, actually. And I don't know why I waited so long to get this one in my collection. And again, she is the same. She's got A.Santini, Italy, and then she is stamped just here. This is the back. And the next one I have, this is called the Statue of David. Girl, you should all know this. This is like Italy 101. And he is Rudy Nudie. Ooh. This was a more recent edition as well. Is he marked? Where is he marked? Oh, he's marked there. Yeah, so this is a more recent edition. Try and show you the detail. And again, he is marked just here. And it's also signed. I don't know if you can see. It's very faint. There you go. Just there. That's this one. And now the next one is of the famous Discus Thrower sculpture. Now, if anybody can tell me the official name of this, please let me know down below. And this is my discus sculpture collection. Again, I love this. I think this is so sickening. Like, look at all the detail in the face and the abs and the stomach. Like, he's got a leaf here. He's not really nudie. But just look at all the detail. And again, he is stamped. Oh, it says it here. Discus Obolo. Discus Obolo. Maybe. I'm not sure. My Italian is not great. And then it says A.Santini, Italy, and A.Santini there signed in the sculpture itself. This is my final one. So far, this is my collection of sculptures. I am hoping to get more in the future, who knows, build up my collection even bigger. Which one was your favourite? Let me know. And I hope you really enjoyed this video. And until next time, take care guys, give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!